Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib, and we've got a preview today because we just got in the Lenovo Legion 7 to take a look at. This one has the i7-10750H processor. That's a 6-core chip. It has 32 gigs of RAM and an RTX 2070 Max-Q. And we'll be doing a full review of this on my main channel at lon.tv. But in this video, what we're going to do is take it apart and see what's upgradable on it. The one they sent us also has a 1080p 240 Hz display. Looks pretty nice. I have the 740 from last year. It feels a little bit thinner than that one. You've got a few different ports on this new one as well. So they've got the Thunderbolt 3 port on the side like before, but they added a USB Type-C port as well. But this does not appear to be a Thunderbolt port. You have a headphone microphone jack over there. On the other side, you've got your USB 3 port. And then you've got on the back here, HDMI out, USB 3.2, which is a Gen 2 port, 10 gigabits per second, gigabit Ethernet, another Gen 2 port for USB 3, and your power goes in there, and then you've got a Kensington lock. It looks like they added a few more lights to the mix as well, so you've got some lights in the fan assembly there, and a longer light here on the bottom, which I'm sure you can configure to your heart's delight. They added a number pad, but got rid of the macro keys that were on the side of last year's model, and the trackpad now is a click pad. But again, we'll have more details on this in a later review that's coming up soon on the main channel. But now we're going to take this thing apart and see what it looks like inside by popping off the bottom case here. Let's do that now. Now I should mention this came in on loan from Lenovo, and they will be getting this back when we're done with our review. So all of the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded, or I guess I should say this unchassising. So on the bottom here, you can see the cooling system laid out, very similar to what I remembered last year's looking like. You've got 2 sticks of RAM under this shield here, so you can very easily get at that and swap RAM out. This one came with 32 gigs, which I think will be more than adequate. Now, the big change on this one over last year's version is that you now have 2 NVMe slots. So last year they had 1 NVMe and a SATA hard drive position. Now you can put 2 NVMe's in, which makes sense because they've come down in price pretty significantly. So you can upgrade RAM and storage on this, but as usual, processor and GPU are locked in with whatever you buy when you first picked it up. And you've got your battery down here. And we'll take a look at battery life when we do the full review. Typically on these gaming laptops, battery life is never something you buy one of these for. So I guess if you don't run any games or anything and keep it low key, you should be in pretty good shape. But I found with these Lenovos, and we'll have to check this one, they usually disable the Intel video and only run the NVIDIA GPU. And that, of course, will consume more power. So we're going to put this thing back together and have a full review soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Tom Albrecht, Chris Allegretta, Mike Patterson, and Bill Pomerantz. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.